EURUSD daily markup for the week commencing 30th of November 2023. This is a new week and also we've had the daylight saving time shift which happened on Sunday, which was yesterday, and we are also towards the end of the month and heading into a new month. So this is the daily chart. We've had a break of structure over here, so the daily for me is bearish. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen to some level of supply from where the trend might continue. So we've had price pulling up into this supply over here, and we've had a reaction. After that, we've got these wicks on either side and hardly a body of these candles, indicating that it's in a bit of a range at the moment. It's pretty indecisive where it wants to go. So we will wait and see how price action develops further. But for me, right now, I would think on the daily, we are heading towards a pullback, which might be a little deeper. And the internal of the daily is bullish. Although the swing leg is bearish, but we are now in the internal, which is bullish. We've had a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and therefore this might not hold for long. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the H4, this is where we are. We've had a break of structure. We also kind of came into this supply, and from there we've had a strong reaction. This reaction has come down here. We've had this demand zone which has been swept. The entire zone has been swept, and that's what we expected because we don't have too much of an inducement in front of this zone. So we didn't expect it to hold, and after that, we kind of, just going nowhere really. But the H4 for me is bullish. It's bullish in order to facilitate the daily pullback, and that's why it's bullish. And I would now expect this to be the week swing high on the H4 to go. How do we know that the pullback phase is over? Well, we need to see a bare minimum of a change of character which has happened here. We had a wick break, but probably break of these, break of the price above this. These two candles would indicate more of a continuation of the bullish trend on the H4. So this is where we are as far as the H4 is concerned. On the M15, we are bearish. I marked this as the swing low which got taken out on Wednesday, and after that we've just been kind of going nowhere. We're just meandering around this entire, if I can just draw a little bit of a this is where we are, and we don't seem to be going anywhere. We're just kind of stuck in this bit of a price range, and I think probably it'll be better to kind of wait for price to break above this level or above this level convincingly, so that then we can say that okay, the M15 has turned bullish. And of course for M15 to turn bullish, we need to see this high go, which is also the H4 high. But given where we are currently, I would probably wait for a little more price action to develop and then say that okay, we are now turning bullish. So in any case, after the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen, which is probably in progress at the moment. And right now price is just kind of trickling. It's a Monday morning. Markets will open in an hour later, I guess, because of the daylight savings. But yeah, we'll just wait for price action to develop a little more and then see. Also today we have news all day. We've got the German prelim CPI, so I don't see too much of price doing too much today. So just kind of wait and watch. And the rest of the week, this is what it looks like. We will obviously, monitor this closely as we are trading. And yeah, that's it. Let's see how it kind of develops. And all the best for your trading.